Anything that makes gifting easier, all in. All right, 9:20 right now. I wanted to start with a hiking planner because we finally have some fall weather, and that means it's perfect for doing some hiking. We're in the 50s still right now and 60s in many parts of the valley. By lunchtime, we're going to be at about 67 and then 74 this afternoon. We'll call that a cool day ahead because it is below average. Normally, we're in the low 80s this time of year, and what a switch from above average and record temperatures we've been talking about for weeks and weeks and weeks to be below average with that forecast high of 74. We were also below average on our morning low. We recorded a low of 52 degrees this morning at Phoenix Sky Harbor. Many parts of the valley got lower than that into the 40s, and normally we're in the upper 50s, and this is going to continue. So we have a tendency toward below average temperatures likely in the next 6 to 10 days. That's November 9th through 13th. This is the Climate Prediction Center's forecast outlook here, and it's showing below average temperatures likely over the next 6 to 10 days all across the west, including Arizona. We look a little further out. They also have this product. It's an 8 to 14 day outlook, and we don't go that far out with our forecast in terms of giving you a specific temperature, but we can see trends at this point. 2 weeks out, we can see a trend of below average temperatures, and again, average is low 80s, so that would indicate some 60s and 70s across the deserts. Our latest round of cooler temperatures today, tomorrow into Wednesday is coming from this storm system, which is pushing into New Mexico, but this is where we got all that weather craziness yesterday. The hail, the rain, the snow, the wind. We saw some wind today in western Arizona. A wind advisory remains for the Colorado River Valley. We're getting some northerly winds now as that cooler air filters in following that storm. The next storm, it's already in view, though. It's pushing into the northwest right now, going forward in time in our futurecast models. This kind of pushes into the northwest. It drops into the Rockies tomorrow, and so it's moving over a lot of land before it gets to Arizona. That kind of trajectory or path really doesn't bode well for getting us some decent rain and snow across the state. I do think by Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, we're going to see some snow on the Mogollon Rim and in northern Arizona. No rain, though, for the valley from this system. It's looking pretty unlikely, but this is going to bring us another round of cooler temperatures. So we'll go from the mid 70s today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We'll drop into the upper 60s by Thursday, and morning lows are going to drop off, too. Some mid 40s Friday mornings. That means outlying areas probably going to be in the upper 30s.
Well, good.